Hello everyone, I'm Rinki Batreja from Art Laurels Indore. Now I will share you a tutorial regarding the vestige of quilling strips, how to use them in a better way. So I will show you how to use the quilling strip in a weaving method. So first of all, we need some scrap quilling strips, which is easily available with everybody. Kids are totally in choice of quilling, so many people have the vestige quilling strip, that is it is 5 mm and this is 3 mm, and it comes in 10 mm also, it comes in 2 mm also, but if you are doing weaving for the first time, you have to be very careful and it needs lots of patience. So try to use 10 mm strips or 5 mm strip first if you are using for the first time. If you are an expert, you can go for the 3 mm 2 mm also. So I am showing you how to do the weaving. First of all, you have to take the strips. I am taking 10 mm strips, and you need A4 size paper, any A4 size scrap sheets, scrap paper or sheet if you have. You can take colorful also. I am having the white one, so I am taking white sheet. So I have cut it down into the size of 4x4. Whatever size you want, you can go for the weaving of whatever size you want. You can go for the full page or half page or any size. So I am showing you how to do this. So first of all, we need the quilling strips. I have cut it down into the half. So this is the full size, and you have to just fold it and cut it into the half. I have taken the paper. I will show you how to use the weaving also in different places and projects, so stay tuned. I am taking little bit amount of glue on horizontal side. So I will take this and this combination. You can take multicolors if you have, or 2 colors, 3 colors, 4 colors, whatever choice you have. So I'm taking only 2 colors right now. So now I will stick it horizontally with the proper alignment of the paper. So one by one I will stick it. You have to be very precise about the alignment of the strips, because if you are doing in a wrong alignment, the weaving will be tilted. So try to be very precise about pasting the strips. The full strips are not manageable, that's why I have cut it down into the half. If you are doing for the full page or half page, you have to take it according to the size of paper. Like this, you have to take one color on the horizontal side and other on the vertical side. Basically we are doing weaving to give a checks effect, because so many people have the scrap quilling strips, so they don't have the choice to what they use. So try to use them in a weaving and add beauty to your projects, front page, or I will share one or two pictures with you also at the end of the video, so you can take the inspirations also for for this. Now only little bit space is left, so I am not taking any strip for the further because I have to stick it properly with the base paper only. So I am leaving this part. Now after that, this strip you have to hold it like this. Now on the horizontal part, you have to stick all the strips. Likewise, you have to complete it. Now I have sticked all these strips. Now you have to shift it on the one side little bit. So that your work will be easy to do the weaving part. So take the first strip. I will place this strip like this, and with the alternate strips, I will pass through my yellow strips. If you don't have the strip, you can cut the strips with the paper, colorful paper, whatever you have. See? Now for this, you have to take below, you have to take this like alternate thing. If you are using this strip yellow here, then you have to be wine color on the upper side. So like this you have to complete the weaving. It will be easier with 10 mm strips if you are doing for the first time. So try to do it with the thicker strips, so it will be very easy. Now in thin strips you may get the problem, but with the thicker strips you will do it in a very easy way. So try to take thick strips. I'm taking alternate, and you have to be take the strips with a very contract way, because the strips get slips down. So try to take and make the weaving stiffer. So like this you have to be, you have to take upwards. Yes. I will be coming up with more and more videos with you all timely, so stay tuned with us for more detailed video. So many videos are lining up, so stay tuned with us for more videos. So in this way you have to complete this part. I have completed this one, like I have done with the 5 mm strip. It takes lots of time, so I have completed offline. So this In this way you have to take it for the 10 mm and 5 mm. So I'm showing you how to stick it now. So this is the paper. You have to glue it properly. So apply the glue. You can take Fevicol also if you have. I'm taking fabric glue. So you have to press it from the upper side so that the creases will not come, and it will stick it properly with the base. You have to apply the glue all over the page properly so that all the things get stuck properly. So you have to press it properly, and then you have to cut it down the strips, which is the leftover strips. So I'm taking only extra. So I have done the weaving completely, and if you now want to cut the shape in a desired, shape, so you have to draw the pattern, whatever pattern you want. If you want to make it leaf, you can draw the leaf, or you can draw the pot and cut it. So this pot, and you can use it on your cards, your paper bags, and whatever you want. You can create your corners like this, or whatever shape you like. You can go for that. So it can be easily cut it down. So your base is, that's why I have taken the base, because you can easily cut it into your desired shape, whatever you want. Now you can paste this vase into the card and do the quilling, or whatever choice you have, whatever usage you can use this. This is the very easy method to decorate the cards, or you can use it on the front side of the page, cover page also. So this also you can use, it won't get wasted. So try to use fully properly, and I hope you like the videos. The more videos will be tuned up with me, so try to stay tuned with us for more details and videos. So happy crafting. Thanks for watching. Please do share, comments and likes if you really like the videos, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.